Hi, I'm Ava Levine. I'm a junior studying computer science here at Michigan, and this summer at UMTRI, I worked on the Data2Go project, which is a project aimed at making driving studies more realistic and scalable. So, the problem that we were aiming to address was that traditional driving research often relies on some sort of lab setup or direct researcher involvement, which looks like a subject and a researcher in a car, and when certain movements happen, the researcher then quizzes the participant on their responses. But this can often limit how well it reflects real world behavior because there is a researcher involved or it's in some sort of simulated environment that's not necessarily realistic to how everyday transportation works. Data2Go aims to address this by automating the capture of vehicle GPS, vehicle acceleration, as well as participant survey responses when sudden acceleration events can occur. This project contains two parts to make this happen. First is a researcher-facing website where the researcher is able to design the study, i.e., pick the questions that they want to occur in the pop-ups, pick the questions that they want to occur in the post-ride survey, decide when they want the pop-ups to occur, whether it's like a hard stop or if it's a motion sickness study, if when it's just really bumpy and choppy. Um, so in order to do this, I designed and built both the mobile app and the website, as well as the backend that connects them because they share a backend and also stores all of the data from participant survey responses. I also developed the real-time pop-up system that is really crucial to this because it triggers these sort of survey questions that we see here when sudden driving events occur, like a hard stop. And in order to make those successful, a big part of this project was implementing filtering techniques to reduce the effect on sensor noise that it had on the accelerometer inside an iPhone or an Android. So that helped to improve motion detection to make the pop-up system more successful. Now, there's still a few next steps before deploying the app and the website in UMTRI's research, but soon it will be able to be used for driving studies, making it easier to run large-scale real-world transportation research at UMTRI. Thank you very much.